The data present in the measurements and price list editors can be exported in various formats. From the PriMus home, access the Export menu. Choose the HTML format if you have to publish your bill of quantity or cost estimate data as a web page, or export to Microsoft Office Word and Excel formats. For example, by exporting for Excel 2007 or 2010, you can also choose which prices to export, in addition to the main unit rates. This allows you to obtain an additional table for each item, the selected unit rate, and relating total amount. The standard view for the bill of quantity, cost estimate is exported, and you can change the values in the various fields, obtaining an immediate recalculation. You can also customize the editor view, for example, grouping by categories, changing descriptions, etc. And export it in the XLS format, obtaining exactly the same structure as visible in PriMus.